Ten Commandments of Safety Driving as Driver. 1. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. 2. I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. 3. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at schools, playgrounds, hospitals, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. 10 Commandments of Road Safety. 1. Thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. 2. Thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. 3. Thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. 4. Thou shalt not take any chances. 5. Thou shalt buckle up thy cage. 6. Thou shalt not drive on the right. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. 8. Thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. 9. Thou shalt keep thy distance. And 10. Thou shalt practice patience. 10 Commandments of Traffic. 1. Keep right. 2. Observe road courtesy. 3. Prohibited parking. 4. In doubt, do not overtake. 5. The bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. 6. Rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measures. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy drive first come, first serve vehicle. 9. On pedestrian. 10. Remember the International Driving Safety Reminder.